riff is from the song called Tujhko Paaya. To play this riff, we have 5th string open, and we have a A5 chord which we are playing on the 7th fret of 4th string and 9th fret on the 3rd string, holding both of them together, 4th and 3rd string. We got to pluck 2 times. So, sorry, only 1 time. So we go 5th string open, then A5, then we come back to 5th string open. So then we have a small slap on the after the 5th string on the right hand now. So then back to 5th string open. So then we go this A minor chord shape on the 6th and 5th fret 1 time. Then we go down to 4th and 3rd fret. We play 4 times now. So we just move this chords up and down. So we have 6th and 5th fret and 4th and 3rd fret. So we strum once here, then we go 1,